Okay, recording. Hey Sam, please don't do that for a little bit, okay? Sorry about that. So here I saw people had some interesting stuff on their COVID comorbidities assignment that's going to be used for that community public health education thing you're making. Um, so I just wanted to be clear about how to use this page because this is linked and it's a useful site. Maybe a little bit awkward, but useful. So over here we have for COVID issues, maps of counts for COVID cases by city or community. So you can either look at cases, which actually is what we want, so we'll just stick with that. Over here is what I wanted to say though. It's either counts, which just means like how many people have been diagnosed with COVID, or adjusted rates. So it's useful to use both, but like for example, in the city of Vernon, sorry, let's make this get a little bit easier to look at. And I don't know of a way to search by city. I apologize for that. It's kind of frustrating, I know. I've experienced the same frustration. I feel your pain. There we go. In the city of Vernon. So I've clicked on there, and then if I I don't know what it's going to be for you. Like obviously that didn't work. And then if I click again on my mouse pad, it actually opens up the value. So selected map value is what we're looking at. So these adjusted rates are how many people per 100,000. The city of Vernon has like 209 people. So their COVID rate is low. They have, I think, 15 cases is what many of you reported. So if we just look at counts, try to get back to the city of Vernon. Yeah, that's fun, isn't it? Pink, pink. If we just look at counts, Vernon has like 15. Yeah, I don't know where Vernon is. Where'd you go, Vernon? Somewhere over here, right? Huntington Park, somewhere over here. Yeah, I don't know if y'all had to do this too, but anyway, there has to be a better way. So just trust me when I tell ya. Anyway, Vernon has 15 cases. Hey, there we go. Yeah, 15 cases because there's like 209 people. Okay, so it's good to report how many cases, but that's going to potentially give you quite a misleading information. So it's also important to use the not just the counts, but the adjusted rates, and then make sure to say what you're using when you're doing that. Okay, hope that was helpful.